An FAQ page is a page that contains a list of questions and their respective answers with regard to a particular topic. When such pages are properly marked up, they may be eligible to appear as a rich result in search. In this video, you will learn how to add FAQ schema to WordPress using SEO plugins and without any plugins. Let's get started. If you use the Yoast SEO plugin, you can add a Yoast FAQ block to the page. Here I am writing the first question. And here I write the answer to the first question. If you want, you can add an image for the answer section. Now I write the second question. Here I will write the answer to the second question. After publishing this page, you are done, and this page has FAQ schema markup. If you use the Rank Math plugin, you can add a FAQ by Rank Math block to the page. The way to use this block is completely similar to the Yoast block, so I fill it as before. After publishing this page, you are done, and this page has FAQ schema markup. For adding FAQ schema without plugin, head to the link in the description and copy the PHP code provided. If you've got a child theme, you can easily add this code to its functions file. Another way to do this is by using the Code Snippets plugin. To get started, go ahead and install the Code Snippets plugin and activate it. Once that's done, click on Add New from the Snippets menu. Paste the copied code. Enter a title for it. Click the Save Changes and Activate button. Now I write my first question in this paragraph block. You can change the style of this paragraph as your liking. I assign the question class to this block. I write the answer to the first question. I assign the answer class to this block. Now you can duplicate these two paragraphs as many times as you need and write your next questions and answers in them. Now we check the schema of this page with the Schema Validator. As you can see, the FAQ schema was successfully recognized by this website without any errors. And that's all there is to it. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe so that other people can find it. And thank you for watching.